to the mix. And on the mix today we have Maxine. Now, Maxine, as you know, she is a character. Now, Maxine is in Jamaica, basically, and she's having fun. So she's saying that she went to the beach with somebody else's man, and there's back and forth messaging between her and this lady that is the owner of the man. So you know this is something spicy. You have to go ahead and catch the video to see what Maxine has to say, because listen, this is juicy. Maxine is going back and forth with this lady, telling her a lot of different stuff about what has been happening since she has been in Jamaica. So go ahead and catch the video now, and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful day.
Facebook, you remember one time when they start me and they go on with themselves and me put out the sitting them, and Facebook blocked me for must about 1 week. Yes, after the people them when they got along bad with me one time when they were over individual. When individual when put me out here. Yes, me put them out and they went block me. Me get like about 400 message in a like less than 1 hour. 400 less than 1 hour. Me not tell no lie, me I do all of them still. Have the whole of them still. So the woman say, so well on after and tell me say, me no fi dead pan him man, me send her back one other voice note.
I don't know how you find the time for even they call me. Your man singing is so good, so good. We got beach today. I have so much fun. And you have the time for they call me. Me dear, go and go ride it to the best of your ability. Just take care of it. We all have to share. We all have to share. Me never tell us that me want to take your man.
Alright, so hold on there.
Me never tell us that me want to take your man go to the altar. Just lend him to me for a few minutes, or a few days. I'll give him back. I'll give him back in one piece. Okay? Thank you.
So tell her if you come to one threesome, you know what they go along over here over YouTube. Me if you tell her if you come to one threesome. You don't know the threesome? I'm gonna see man this on the fake page. Me wear clad. Then she takes me back and says, saggy pussy Maxine, go on girl. But me not text her back, so let me text her back you now. How you feel they tell me say me pussy saggy? When your man left in, he don't have nothing to make it saggy. He ain't saggy. Mighty God, you have to take care of yourself. Cause quite clearly your man gone left you. Come for the saggy pussy. In left you gone and come for the saggy pussy. So stop it. Stop it, young girl. Go take care of yourself. Okay? Me not block you. People, me not block her. Me not block her. Me not block her. Me not blocking her. Me not blocking her. Me not block her. You see how for me days go? And from morning, she text me and they cuss me, you know? From morning, she text me and cuss me. Like, really? Like, really? Me say the woman cuss me. So, for all of you newcomer who just come, I'm having a discussion with the lady who think me sleeping with her man. Because apparently, her man tell her. Me don't know what me couldn't look a young boy love chat so. You no talk too much when somebody go to one little piece and it's sweet, you cannot be so needy. You cannot be so needy as to they call people phone, go on with no cell phone and stuff like that. And you know me really, say the man me for a good while, you know. So me don't know if the man change in number, change the number, but on his Facebook page, look like me don't know what they go on. So make me read it again. To make you hear what is going on in my life. Very excited. Now listen to what they go on social media, because if you don't listen to social media, you know we mad out there with them. The whole of them out there mad. The whole entire bunch of them mad. And then just dying for some love and affection. But me they creepy as fast as me can. Because me no want when them start. If you can look for the same thing, then me can't find them. Me then take me what left. Because that's all I'm good for. What left, what left, what left. You understand what I say? What left. So, let me start from the beginning with this lady. And she have one 876 number, which is 839. Backside, she just come and fight 6. That are the last text what she text me there, so. Yes. 8390434. Me no know who she is. People, me no know her, but she claims say me there with her man. Me no know which one of the man, because me meet so much man me come down here that me don't even know which one of them in the talk about. I can't any one of them, because every one of them say they don't have no man. Guys, thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much. You are so cooperating with me tonight. I don't have to beg for the likes them and so, but you can give me some more. Give me some more, man. Put some more there. You put some more upon it, man. Give me some more likes, guys. Give me some more likes. I want to do this to somebody. Hi. You know what, ya? I want to do this to somebody. Come on, you know if they tell me thank you. Jesus. Come on. So, the man they tell me thank you. The man said thank you. It look like the man want to get rid of her. It look like the man. Guys, could you please give me some thumbs up, please? Please. I have so much good story to tell you. You know, give me some thumbs up. Like up the thing. Send me some purple art. You know, come on, man. You know, have to encourage me, you know. You know, have to encourage me. I'm the oldest one on social media that go along with myself, so you know. I'm the oldest one on social media that teach you know how to watch you know pum pum, you know. Me are the only one. Me are the only one on social media that teach you know how to hide you know pum pum. Yes, me show you know. Me show you know. Me go show you again tonight. How you know for hide. So give me some thumbs up, man. Give me encourage me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you for the purple art, sweetheart. Thank you. She need to tell her man to turn him yard, and no look pussy vault. You see you better learn to behave yourself. You better learn to behave yourself and stop it. You have to learn to behave yourself and stop it. No, sir. You dey galang bad. You dey galang bad. Uno give me some encouragement, man. Just like up the thing, man. Give me a few little likes. If I make you reach a 20. Uno give me a few little likes, man. Me go read the story over again because no for uno come in late. Uno no know what they go on. No for uno come in late. Uno do not know what is going on. A whole heap of things are going on, you know. Everybody jealous of a Maxine. Everybody want to be Maxine. Why? Everybody wants to be me. Everybody. Me never see this. You're so pretty. Shout out. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? I should call my... I don't even know if you call me page. Because me never want to know... No phone no say me a 60. Me no want to know say me a 60. Me a young green girl. Me a 30-year-old in a fight. 30-year-old in a fight for man. Me never see this. I never see this in my life. Okay, yes, because... Okay. So, as I said today, Maxine Anderson, Lorna Flex. Who name so? Who name Lorna Flex? Thank you for your purple heart, Lorna. Thank you so much. Love the nails. You love the nails? Thank you. Thank you so much. So people, let me start the class all over again. So today I was, thank you cuz, thank you for all of those purple heart people. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of those purple heart. Thank you so much. People is just telling me how I'm glowing, how I'm looking nice, how I'm so pretty. And I thank you so much even